Good day, everyone, and welcome to the National Research Council of the Philippines Membership Application Procedures Orientation. I am Kim Liza Wong, a Science Research Specialist from the NRCP Technical Capacity and Development section. The discussion for today will be about the NRCP, the benefits and responsibilities of being a member, the membership criteria and requirements, and the process on how to apply via the online system known as the Scientific Knowledge Management System, or SKMS. As an introduction, NRCP is a collegial body of highly trained scientists and researchers, cohesively addressing the growing demand for knowledge, skills, and innovations, sharing expertise with all sectors of the society, and effectively and efficiently contributing to the country's development and to the improvement of the quality of life of the Filipino people. We are an attached agency to the Department of Science and Technology. Act 4120 mandates NRCP to do the following. 1. Promotion and support of fundamental or basic research for the continuing improvement of the research capability or individual or group scientists. 2. Foster linkages with local and international scientific organizations for enhanced cooperation in the development and sharing of scientific information. 3. Provide advice on problems and issues of national interest. And 4. Promotion of scientific and technological culture to all sectors of society. The NRCP is headed by the NRCP President with 13 division chairs, representing the 13 scientific divisions. The head of the Secretariat is the Executive Director, which leads the 3 divisions of the NRCP. The Secretariat is responsible for the day-to-day activities and functions of the NRCP. NRCP has various functions. 1. NRCP serves as an advisory and consultative body to government policymakers in matters relating to science and technology, and to provide a forum for the discussion and formulation of scientific plans and policies. 2. Seen here are examples of the various discussions such as conferences and legislative fora and evidence-based policy briefs made by the Council. 3. NRCP is also a research council committed to promote frontier and problem-oriented researches in the sciences and humanities that provide solutions to pressing and anticipated national issues. The National Integrated Basic Research Agenda, or the NIBRA, Blue Skies Research, and Policy Research are the priority research interests of the Council. To elaborate, NRCP is interested in research proposals focused on water security, food and nutrition security, health sufficiency, clean energy, sustainable communities, and inclusive nation building. 4. Blue Skies Research are scientific inquiries that are curiosity-driven and may not have definite real-world applications, nor clear objectives and agenda to follow. 5. Lastly, the Council funds policy research to address issues related to public welfare. Hence, we'll need legislation that is based on scientific inquiry and evidence. As an example, here is one of the projects funded by the NRCP. The research is titled Natural Products Discovery from Rare Environments, Marine Sediment-Derived Actinobacteria from Islands of Luzon, Palawan, Mindanao, and Eastern Visayas in their antimicrobial activities of Dr. Doralyn S. Dalisay of the University of San Agustin, Iloilo. The potential outcomes of this study includes development of antimicrobial drugs and anti-cancer treatment. NRCP also serves as a collegial body which constitutes the largest pool of researchers, scientists, engineers, and artists, RECAs, across the country in the fields of social sciences, natural sciences, and the humanities. NRCP has over thousands of members. There are 13 scientific divisions for NRCP. These are governmental, educational, and international policies, mathematical sciences, medical sciences, pharmaceutical sciences, biological sciences, agricultural and forestry, engineering and industrial research, social sciences, physics, chemical sciences, humanities, earth and space sciences, and veterinary medicine. As a member, they may avail of the following benefits. 1. Submit research proposals once the call starts. The research must be aligned with the priority areas of NRCP under the NIBRA, Blue Skies, and Policy Research. 2. Engage as an expert in various knowledge and advisory services through the NRCP Expert Engagement Program. Examples of your engagements are evaluators, House Bill reviewers, resource persons, S&T consultants, advisory service providers, trainers, technical evaluators, science communicator, and RD leaders. 3. Join various NRCP events for continuous professional development, such as training, writing workshops, lectures, webinar series, assemblies, division meetings, scientific conferences, symposia, and fora. 4. Link with members from different fields of disciplines. 5. Be recognized through the NRCP Awards, which is an annual recognition given to outstanding members in the fields of natural sciences, health sciences, engineering, industry, social sciences, humanities, and other human endeavors. 6. Get funding for the printing and binding of the thesis or the doctoral dissertation manuscript. Now we go to the responsibilities of being a member. Members are required to 1. Attend and actively participate in NRCP annual general membership assemblies and division meetings. 2. As member of task force, technical evaluation panels, special study teams, and submit the needed comments, reports, reviews, recommendations on such issues and problems assigned to him or her. Number 3. Lend his or her expertise whenever called upon as member of the pool of experts for knowledge transfer and advisory services. And 4. Communicate with NRCP on matters pertaining to his or her latest achievements, awards, positions, comments, and other information needed by the NRCP. NRCP has 3 types of membership: associate, regular, and honorary. To qualify as an associate member, an applicant must fulfill the criteria and requirements. They must be a Filipino citizen active in R&D works, either residing in the Philippines or abroad, must be at least baccalaureate degree holder, and must meet the following requirements by category: physical and natural sciences with at least 2 peer-reviewed research publications, wherein one publication is a principal author in reputable journal or author of one unpublished service manual certified by the concerned institute or agency, or owner or co-owner of one invention with certificate of registration issued by the authorized agency. Engineering, with at least 2 peer-reviewed research publications, wherein one publication is principal authorship in reputable journal, or one patented invention, or author of one unpublished service manual certified by the concerned institute or agency, or 2 utility models, one as principal inventor, one as co-inventor, with copyright certificate issued by authorized agency. Arts and humanities, with at least 2 peer-reviewed research publications, wherein one publication is principal authorship in reputable journal, or principal author of one or co-author of 2 comprehensive critical study published as monographs certified by a third-party certifying body based on categories like film, music, theater, literary work, or a comprehensive poetics or critical theory accompanying a body of creative works of arts certified by NCCA. Social sciences, with at least 2 peer-reviewed research publications, wherein one publication is the principal authorship in a reputable journal, or 2 publications, full paper in refereed scientifically indexed proceedings, or principal author of one or co-author of 2 textbooks in all levels with copyright and ISBN. Additional requirements for associate membership application are: be actively engaged in research and development for design, creative work, in the past 3 years, aside from the research thesis, accompanied by the following proofs. With certification of research involvement using the NRCP prescribed template certified by the head of agency, research director, or dean where the applicant is affiliated, or head of the previous institution where the research was conducted in the last 3 years. The certification must contain the titles of the completed researches in the last 3 years and/or ongoing researches, and abstracts of completed researches conducted in the last 3 years, and/or progress report of any ongoing research, including objectives and accomplishments. Enrollment in a recognized web issuing H-index rating, Google Scholar or Scopus, or any equivalent metrics recommended by the division and approved by the governing board. Another way to become an associate member is if the applicant is a retired researcher or innovators, to which the requirements must be 60 to 70 years old, with master's or doctoral degree, and proof of scientific accomplishments, senior or corresponding author of 2 or co-author of 4 scientific publications in refereed journals, or 2 patented inventions or 4 utility models in the last 10 years. For the NRCP regular membership, there are 3 criteria. For criteria A, the following must be satisfied: actively engaged in research, original design, or creative work for the past 3 years. You must have an H-index of at least 4 or an equivalent metric for the arts and humanities. If you are the senior author, you must have at least 2 ISI or Scopus Index publications and 4 ISI or Scopus Index publications if you are the co-author. A certification of active research involvement issued by the head of agency or research director, abstract or progress report of research projects, an H-index rating of 4 or an NRCP-approved equivalent. Criteria B, you must also have an H-index of at least 4 or an equivalent metric for the arts and humanities. The criteria for the special provision allows outstanding young scientists, academicians, and national scientists of the National Academy of Science and Technology, active members of the Scientific Career System, national artists of the National Commission of Culture and the Arts, recipients of the Balik Scientist Program, and Commission on Higher Education, CHED or CHED Republica awardee, to be approved as outright regular members. The call for regular membership of the NRCP opens every September to October every year. The application for NRCP membership is online, accessible at skms.nrcp.dost.gov.ph. Before signing up, make sure that you have the following: copies of your publications in PDF or image, complete Google Scholar profile, which is public, abstract or progress report of research projects in the past 3 years, and certification of active research involvement following the prescribed format. Let's go to the process on how to apply online. Step 1. Go to skms.nrcp.dost.gov.ph. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Step 3. Read the data privacy policy and click Agree. Step 4. Fill out the needed information and click Register. Step 5. Check your registered email for the registration confirmation. Step 6. Click on the email link to activate your account. Step 7. Log in to your account and click Apply. Step 8. Select the criteria which best applies to you. Step 9. Fill out the Personal Profile tab. Step 10. Fill out the Academic Profile tab. Step 11. Fill out the Membership Profile tab. Step 12. Fill out the Employment Profile tab. Step 13. Fill out the Awards Received profile. Step 14. Fill out the Project Profiles tab. Step 15. Fill out the Scientific or Creative Works tab. Step 16. Fill out the Inventions tab. Step 17, click on Submit. The application has been submitted to NRCP for evaluation. To keep track of the progress of your application, you can log into your SKMS account and click on the Tracking History tab. You will receive email notifications if your application has passed the evaluation or if there is lacking documents that you need to submit. Make sure that you update your application within the allowed days provided. Otherwise, your application will be bumped off. In this case, you will have to submit a fresh application. If your application is complete, you will be notified via email of your approval. Your email address will be entered in the NRCP Expert School database and you will be added to the contact list of the Council. Details on the oath-taking and other NRCP activities will be communicated through email and social media groups. Here are the pertinent sites that you can visit to learn more about the NRCP. nrcp.dost.gov.ph/membership and skms.nrcp.dost.gov.ph. For further inquiries, you may reach us at nrcpinfo@nrcp.dost.gov.ph. Thank you.